Anyway, guys, the Tirelo's mom refused to accept Mpumelel's lobola because he was unemployed. So anyway, guys, let's get to start off today. You know the rest of the hustle. Somebody pays them for selling. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself without me wasting your time. Let's get to start off today. So yesterday on the channel of Temple season 9, almost ago, and my sisters revealed so good they went to Tirelo's family. They wanted to talk about amalobolo. Tirelo's mom, she was like, no, I'm not gonna accept amalobolo Mpumelelo because Mpumelelo is currently unemployed, guys, you know. And then they decided to talk about damage. Tirelo's mom, she was like, in our culture we don't accept damage. As long as you guys admit it with Inghanien, we do not have any problem. We want fully lobolo, guys. So Mpumelelo had no choice but to marry Amahle as his first wife. As we all know, guys, uTirelo was supposed to be Mpumelelo's first wife. They were like, no, guys. And people are asking themselves, why will Tirelo's family not accept Mpumelelo's lobola? Guys, did you still remember there was a time where Tirelo, Autonomous Temple season 3, she came out to say Mpumelelo, he doesn't want to pay a school fees sengane or 3K in medical aid ingane umawa Tirelo. So there was a lot when it comes to finance. I think umaga Tirelo saw it and she was like, not my daughter, go there and finish your BCom accounting, you will get married when you are ready. Some people are saying this is the best decision umaga Tirelo did for Tirelo, guys. Maybe she thought, oh, Tirelo, she will forget about Mpumelelo as she has rejected amalobolo Mpumelelo. One thing, if you date a Zulu man, there's no turning back, guys. Oh, Tirelo, she's still begging. Oh my God, Tirelo, guys, when Tirelo finish this degree and get a job, she has no choice but to accept amalobolo Mpumelelo, guys. We all know that Mpumelelo is a businessman. He's very successful. He's very doing so well. Maybe she will accept amalobolo Mpumelelo one day, but for now she just wants her daughter to have a bright future. Remember, Tirelo, she's the only daughter, guys, so it makes sense, you know, you'll do anything to protect your child. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.